What up, YouTube? Survivalist News here, back again. Got a couple YouTube videos here for you. I'll leave both YouTube links down in the description to these channels. I recommend you subscribe to these because they seem like they got some pretty good news. The first one is Snafu Radio. Go ahead and subscribe over there. And here he's talking about all military bases on high alert in his description, just confirmed by several people. Sorry. Let me start all over. Don't hate me. But anyway, just confirmed by several people in the Marines and Air Force, stateside and overseas, all bases on high alert. Nobody allowed on or off base, Marine captain in Colorado said. I would play you a clip, but I don't want to get a copyright strike because I haven't asked this guy. So I'm going to just go ahead and promote him a little bit. I've listened to the video. There's a lot of good information. I've watched his other stuff. A lot of good information. So check him out. Then we'll move over here to News and Conspiracy Channel. I'm not subscribed to them because they put on a lot of fake stuff. So I don't really promote them, but I thought this was pretty interesting. You know, probably a bunch of bullshit, but still pretty interesting. I'll play you this video, and let's see what you think. Here we go. Extremely violent times will come. This reminds me of a video that I believe 007 put out where there's a radio transmission picked up talking about Trump and a certain date with a fucking Antifa march, I believe. I don't remember what date it was, but I'm pretty sure it was something with Antifa and all of that stuff. But let's get back into this. Dangerous and menacing. This makes come to think the Clarence Q Patriot over there on 4chan that's putting his stuff up. He's been talking about some stuff. I'm sure you've seen it, but if you haven't, go look it up. It's everywhere. I don't want to get too far into it, so I don't want to spend too much time on this video. But you know, the same message is sort of getting delivered, like the world won't be the same after Trump gets back from his Asian visit, and now we're seeing shit like this. But that's speculation. Let's continue. Okay, I'll let you go ahead and watch the rest of that video. I'll put both links down in the description so you can watch it for yourselves. Well, I'll be back with more news. Have a great night, YouTube. Survivalist News, out.